Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through the settings. So to get started, let's go into the settings itself, scroll all the way down to General Management, where you will find Reset, and then tap on Factory Data Reset. And here you will get a list of everything that this will basically remove. So you have Google account, system up, data, settings, basically anything that you have put on the device yourself, including like photos and videos that you have, for instance, captured with the phone. So if there's anything that you'd like to keep, you might want to back it up, otherwise you will lose it. But if you don't, you can simply tap on Reset. Now, if you are logged into Google, you will need to confirm that Google account. Basically, once you tap on Delete All, it will pop up with the login screen, and you will need to log into your Google, and then once you confirm it, it will immediately start the process. So I'm not logged into Google, so once I tap on Delete All, it just goes to delete it. So let's just wait for this to finish, and I'll be back once we can see the Android setup screen. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.